Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're checking out one of the most powerful gaming smartphones of 2025, the ASUS ROG Phone 9 and the ROG Phone 9 Pro. These are absolute beasts designed specifically for gamers who want raw power, flashy design, and next-level performance. Starting off with the design, both phones have that signature ROG gamer look, aggressive, bold, and futuristic. The ROG Phone 9 Pro even takes things up a notch with something called AniMe Vision. It's a mini LED panel on the back made of 648 individual lights that can show animations, messages, and even play retro minigames like Pong. It's fun, flashy, and super customizable. The build quality is top tier, with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front, and a glowing RGB ROG logo on the back. You can get it in two color options, Phantom Black and Storm White. Now let's talk about that incredible display. It's a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with LTPO tech, which means the refresh rate adapts from 1 Hz all the way to 165 Hz depending on what you're doing. But when you're gaming, it can even push up to 185 Hz in supported titles. It supports HDR10+, has a peak brightness of 2500 nits, and a touch sampling rate of 720 Hz. In simple words, buttery smooth, bright, and super responsive. Under the hood, the ROG Phone 9 series is an absolute monster. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite Edition, clocking up to 4.32 GHz. Paired with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a massive 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage in the Pro variant, this phone is built to handle everything from hardcore gaming to heavy multitasking. The standard version still comes with powerful options, including up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It runs on ROG UI based on Android 14, which is optimized for gamers with minimal bloatware. To keep all that power cool, ASUS includes the new AeroActive Cooler X Pro, smaller, smarter, and 20% more efficient than before. It not only keeps the phone cool but also adds physical trigger buttons, basically turning your phone into a mini console. When it comes to cameras, it's not just about gaming. You get a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor, a 13-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 32-megapixels front camera. While it's not trying to compete with camera-focused flagships, it still delivers solid photos and stable video, great for streamers or content creators who want a balance of gaming and photography. Battery life is impressive too. There's a 5800 mAh dual-cell battery that gives you hours of non-stop gaming. It supports 65W fast charging and goes from 0 to 100% in just around 40 minutes. Plus, there's a side-mounted charging port so you can comfortably charge while gaming without cables getting in your way. The software experience is tailor-made for gamers. Game Genie gives you real-time stats, customizable settings, and performance toggles. The Air Trigger 8 system adds pressure-sensitive shoulder buttons that can be mapped to in-game controls. And yes, you still get a 3.5mm headphone jack with high-res audio support, plus dual front-facing stereo speakers tuned by Dirac. As for pricing, the ROG Phone 9 starts at around 372,800 Pakistani rupees in Pakistan, while the Pro model with the top specs can go well above 470,000 Pakistani rupees. These phones are available now at ASUS outlets, online retailers, and gaming stores around the world. So, is the ROG Phone 9 series worth it? If you're a gamer who wants the absolute best mobile experience, yes. From the display and cooling system to performance and gaming features, this phone is in a league of its own. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider getting the ROG Phone 9, or if you're waiting for something else. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.